Hey guys, Troy here, Titan Off-Road. Say, the wait is over. Our Gladiator Rubicon diesel finally came in from the factory. We're super stoked to get our hands on this one and design some new products. We're going to be looking at actually doing our first set of bumpers, sliders. That's going to be fun, and we've got some really cool ideas for the bed rack. We've already got several parts that in stock already that fit this. So the front doors are going to get our single door hinge step. The rear doors are going to get our dual door hinge step. It's just such a beefy, just sexy product. It just dresses up the outside as well as incredibly functional. So I can't wait to get that on here. I did opt for the MTs instead of the all-terrains that come standard. I planned to sell them, but got such a good deal on the Jeep. It was $180 option clicked. Probably cost me $140, $150 to step up to those. And I might even do a drawing to give them away. I'm sure somebody with stock wheels and tires would, on a JK, would love to have those. But I can't wait to do something with these factory bumpers. Tail lights, oh man, these giant boxes just gotta go. We are going to show you guys the interior. We opted for everything but the leather interior because we are going to do a custom leather interior with our Titan Off-Road logos in them. And we did do the cold weather package, so heated steering wheel, heated seats, all the creature comforts. So this one will be a really fun, comfortable ride when we're done. We're going to build this one as an Overland build, so a little different than the JK rock crawler that we've already done. So I'm excited to do something different. Definitely a milder suspension. The JK, no fun driving down the road with the hydro assist, no rear sway bar, and the softest springs known to man. Great for rock crawling, terrible for the street. So this one's just going to get a 3.5-inch lift. I hung on to the 38-inch tires that I took off the JK when I stepped up to the 40s on that one. So this is going to get the 38-inch tires. We're going to do a set of gold beadlock wheels. I think are going to look killer. High Lift came out with the gold high lift jack, so I think that's going to be cool. And Rachel, I think it'll be a perfect color combination for Rachel to roll around town in. So perfect for the trail as well. So I'm super excited for this, guys. We've waited months. And the diesel engine, oh, my neighbor's just getting home. Actually, that's, I think, one of her son's friends. Anyways, little distraction there. I can't wait to do something a little different with an Overland build versus the rock crawler. So I'm thinking a 3.5-inch Clayton off-road for the lift. We may still fall back on the rock crawler suspension. Like, I just love their suspension system in the JK for off-roading, but I think I'm going to give Clayton a try for the diesel. So many people recommend that lift. So there it is. We again, satin black grille. We did the hydro blue, beautiful color. I can't wait to get started on this one. Well, there it is, guys. Have a good one. Take care. Look forward to seeing what we do with this one. I'm excited for it. Take care.